Hi, and welcome to 54156 Salem Drive, located in Shelby Township. You're going to love this majestic home. Notice the large exterior patio, all newer cement. Really like the foyer in this. There's some neat things going on here. This property is located south of 25 Mile, just east of DeQuinder. It's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, looking at close to 6,200 square feet of livable space, which includes the finished walkout basement. Lots of light in this room. I do like the wainscoting on the dining room. And for those formal get-togethers, you do have use of this butler's pantry right between the dining room and the breakfast nook. Lovely study. Great room with natural fireplace. Hardwood flooring, and this is a step down also. There's the breakfast nook that leads out onto the deck. Very nice kitchen, granite countertops, built-ins, lots of space, lots of counter space if you enjoy entertaining. But if you need more than one kitchen, stick around. Going back to the foyer, this is one of my favorite parts. It really just adds a very nice architectural detail. And I also like, it's a little fast there, but the pan ceiling and cathedral ceiling mix is a really nice architectural feature. Two walk-in closets. This home does feature a 3-car garage, large oversized lot. I like the master ensuite here. This is the guest suite with its own bath also. This home does have a central vacuum system, dehumidifier, intercom system, features 2 fireplaces, great neighborhood, fantastic school system. There's that second kitchen if you need it, you got it. This is in the walkout basement. I really like the granite and the backsplash granite. Lots of living space. Once again, guys, we're looking at, I believe it's right around 6,200 square feet of living space. That's the walkout to the patio. Another natural fireplace. There's those 2 rooms, the doors you see, the one open, the one closed, are both finished. And yes, there is a full bath down here. So this area becomes really good for entertaining or if you have a long-term guest. A beautiful backyard. Make this home yours. Give me a call. Rich Sparks, Associate Broker, Keller Williams Realty. And seriously, I appreciate you and thank you for watching.